Yes, it's my first time to undergo MRI scan. At first, nakakatakot kasi malaki.
A lot of people are afraid MRI because it's such an enclosed space. But they make sure that you have an easy call button, you have music or whatever you like.
Pero nung nandun na ako, na-assist by yung nurse or yung radiologist, which is makakadagdag na hindi ka ba sa'yo, hindi ka kabahan. Tsaka naging maayos naman lahat and smooth lahat. So, okay naman yung naranasan ko sa MRI. Hindi ako natakot.
Actually, nakatulog ako sa loob. So, it was very pleasant. Nagulat na lang ako. Tapos na, they give you what fits you best. And then they also ask you constantly if you are okay, if you're comfortable, if there's anything that you need. That's very nice, very thoughtful as well.